Greetings and salutations, coin enthusiasts, hither and yon, here and there, far and wide. It's a lovely day, so I thought I'd do this out here. This is going to be a very short one, no feats of strength. But I went to one of my banks today, and as I usually do when I go to one of my banks, I asked if they had any loose half-dollars or customer rolls. And sure enough, today this one did. And as the teller was laying them out on the counter, I heard the unmistakable and beautiful sound of silver. So, let's see what we have here, shall we? 72D with FG. 74, 71, 72P. Oops. 93, 71, 76, 74. Oh ho 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 ho! Look what we have here. 1964. Isn't it beautiful? And it's actually in gorgeous shape too. I think this one's been outside of whomever had it for probably the better part of its 59 years. Oh, that's a sight for sore eyes, let me tell you. 74, 96, 92, Bicentennial, 72 Philly, Bicentennial, 72 Philly. Oh, look at this. Another 1964 in beauteous shape. It, like the one moments ago, is also a product of the city of brotherly love. '77, and another Bicentennial. Okay, short, but oh so incredibly sweet. Questions or comments, leave them below. Subscriptions are always welcome. And I'd also really love it if you would boop that like button just below the video there for all it's worth. And I hope to see you back here soon. I hope to have more silver soon. But in the meantime,